Must read for Team Max old users. Our new storm pump is full of upgrades. Intelligent operation. The old model needed you to watch the tire pressure gauge and manually turn off after inflation. The new storm pump is equipped with a smart control panel. Just preset your target inflation tire pressure and press the start button to inflate automatically. It detects the tire pressure during the process and stops automatically when the preset value is reached with an accuracy of 1 psi. Leap in efficiency. The flow rate has increased from 160 liters to 190 L-min, reducing the inflation time by 15.8%. Structural innovation. Its multi-contour sealing versus traditional flat design slashes sand accumulation. Perfect for off-roading in sand and mud. Compact size. 22.5% smaller than before. It comes with a dedicated storage bag for easy carrying. Sleek look. Black and metallic silver color scheme offers a cool, tech-tough aesthetic.